Sun's out. Bath day. This is Fawkes, a Wahlberg's eagle. Look at her. She's had a big bath. Hopefully she's going to dry out in the sun now. Absolutely beautiful. Having a bath is a really important part of their routine. And she's going to use this sunny day we've got in December to hopefully dry herself out. And then we go next door neighbour. This is Burdock, our Turkey Vulture. And you can see he's done exactly the same thing. He's had a big bath. But he looks like he's just facing the wall. It looks like he's done something wrong. He's in the naughty corner. But not at all. He's found the best place for the sun. He's got his wings spread right out. And he's letting the sun do all the work by drying him up. Just fantastic. You enjoy that sun, matey.